What is up, everybody? Golden Holden here, and today we're going to be unboxing this chrome machine. Alright, in this box we'll have a spray bottle, our chemicals, and our chemicals include this surface activator solution, this Woods nickel strike, chrome stripping solution, and this 24K brush gold gel solution. And this brush gold gel is in an 8-ounce container. This is just one of the many options this gold is. You can also get other golds to plate with, and this is just one of the options. We have our equipment, some woolly sleeves, our quick start guide, and our quick start guide comes with a chrome plated wrench. And this is important, so when you get the machine, you can test your chrome to see if it's working and know how to strip the chrome completely off of the item you are plating so you don't ruin it. We also have a 12-volt power supply and the machine itself. And then we also have a checklist of what's in the box. All right, in our equipment bag, we have our safety equipment, some zip ties, a 1/8 to 1/4 pure nickel bit, a 1/8 stainless steel bit. We have some ultra fine tips as well as medium tips. We have small sleeves and bigger sleeves. We have an extra 4-ounce jar, our handles, and our common lead. To set this up, we need to get our power supply and plug it into the back right there. Just plug it right into that and then plug it into the wall. So now we can turn our machine on. This should probably be flickering in the video, but that's just the display refreshing. We have our common lead with an alligator clip. We have our yellow handle, and this has a woolly sleeve on it. This is for the chrome stripping. We have our blue handle. That plugs into the blue port. And then our red handle, and this is our gold sleeve, and it is pre-soaked. So when we turn on this machine, we can turn on our chrome stripping mode, and this light should turn on. And that will turn off these 2 ports, and it's just a safety feature so you don't ruin your product. And this port is constantly 12 volts. Even with the chrome stripping mode off, it is going to be a constant 12 volts. So this machine is a little different because the yellow port has nothing to do with the voltage meter and will stay a constant 12. It's a little weird, but it's something you have to get used to. And when we do turn on the machine, the red and blue ports have nothing to do with the voltage meter when chrome stripping mode is on. So they do not function at all. So you have to be careful with that. All right, we've unboxed this machine and it's really cool. It's a great chrome stripping machine. It's super easy to set up, super easy to use, and very convenient for just chrome stripping. And if you're interested in getting it, you can go to our website and check it out. And if you have any questions, you can go and contact us on our website. As well as if you have any other questions, there's videos on this on YouTube, and you can check those out and see how to use the machine even further. And thanks for watching.